Hello, my name is Victoria Bend Down. I am not for spice. I'm Indian. It's called Baba's curry powder. Anyway, London not bad. Quite stylo Milo, huh? Don't know how you girls wear this one. Drop the thing. And the Chinese girls like to wear like this. Don't get it, huh? Small one. The Angku Kueh all wear like that. Yeah, Chinese girls small like that. Go Sentosa, wear bikini. Small one. I went to one girl, I said, what are you trying to hide? Hello. Angmo men, because Angmo men can make love till the day they die. That's exaggeration lah. We can really make. My girlfriend married a Frenchman. No, I say what's so good about Frenchmen? By the time they say I love you, you don't even understand with the French accent. Monsieur loves you, you love you, monsieur. You like, என்னடா பேசுற? Can I have subtitle tak? Can you imagine marry a Malay girl, the Mina wrong? Apa kau cakap ni? Me loves you very much. Apa tu? Rindu lah. Apa ni aku tumpu muka kau tahu? Apa ni? Cannot. So my girlfriend married a Frenchman. I said, what's so good? She said, foreplay, best. I said, what do you do? He put strawberry on her body and then he take one by one, no, using the mouth. We all how to afford strawberry, very expensive, you know. And some strawberry is sour. So we can just put maybe kacang. After eat all the kacang, you're so full, you don't have sex already. My another girlfriend married an Italian man. I say, what's so good about Italian men? She say, Italian men, very good. I say, what? She's showering. He go to the shower. He pop champagne. He spray on her. Huh? How to? We cannot follow champagne, very expensive, you know. Chinese wife, what you spray? Tsingtao beer. Then Indian wife must throw Shivas first, then pour on top Coke. Then Malay wife, Milo dinosaur from the top. Cannot lah, doesn't work lah. Boy, come on, I put deodorant, this armpit smelly, you know. No matter how glamorous your dress, armpit smell all the same. Unless you're from some country, some people they smell, wow. The armpit smell, it's not body odor, no, it's body odor de Paris. I think Chanel buy. I don't know lah, who lah. And please remember to always go home and husband, be nice to your wife. Wife also be nice to your husband. Please, wife, don't be stingy. What's your problem? It's your husband, what? You know, husband go outside fine, you know. But husband sure get caught. You know why nowadays men stupid? All buying the latest iPhone, screensaver your face. Husband sleeping, wife take the handphone, put on his face. Husband cannot do to wife, because wife sleep, no makeup. He put on her face straight away, direct call mother-in-law. Hey, chalat. How many people mistake me for a Bangla? Filipino mates come up to me. You're like, sir, you from Bangla? I want to have sex with you all. I say, I make up for you lah, bitch. My grandparents refused to die, you know, 90 plus then died. I'm like, why? Just go lah when your time come, right? And then wedding anniversary, 30th wedding anniversary, my grandfather asked my grandmother, where you want to go? My grandmother said, let's go to New Zealand. That's where we had our honeymoon. So they went to New Zealand, then they rented a car. You know how old people drive, right? Very slow. Even the ships were walking faster. However, my grandmother tell my grandfather, stop! My grandfather, what happened? My grandmother said, you see the house with the fence? That fence is where we had our honeymoon. We had sex on the fence. My grandfather, wow, your memory better than Facebook memory, huh? So my grandmother said, let's do it again. My grandfather, hello, we are very old now. We do this in public, it's called public nuisance. My grandmother, you want to do or you don't want to do? Mavane. My grandmother, okay, don't get angry. So both stripped naked. My grandmother on the fence. My grandfather on top with her. My grandmother so horny. Choli ke piche kya hai? Choli ke piche. My grandfather stopped, told my grandmother, last time you're not so well. My grandmother said, last time this fence not electric. Please remember, tonight all wives go back. When your husband's sleeping, you stand at the window. Husband say, what happened, huh? Lao Kong, wo yao lo. Then he like, I'm tired. I stand very long leh. My leg cramp eh. Indian wife also stand at the window. The husband say, what is going on? But if you're fat, don't move, huh? Because everything will be moving at the same time. The husband like, okay, where's your breast? Where's your fats? Malay different husband standing at the window. He's shouting across, help! Because the wife damn horny. Malay wife very horny, you know. Malay girl, huh? You look at them, they're pregnant. Even now, boys who are primary 6 checking who is longer. Can you imagine in school? Recently in Singapore, primary 6 boy, Chinese took out, Malay took out, Indian took out. Who is longer? Malay. Stay back 2 years. I am not racist, I make fun of all race, fair and square, let me tell you, so please. Even the day I was in a bar, I saw an old man. Every time you order a drink, he bottoms up, take one picture from the pocket, look and he put back. I'm looking at what's going on with this old man. Again, he ordered a drink, bottoms up, take one picture from the pocket, look and he put back. I went to him, uncle, I have a question. He said, what is it? I said, why every time you order a drink, bottoms up, take one picture, you look and you put back? He said, no lah, picture of my wife. I said, she died. No lah, the minute she looks better, it's time for me to go home. Because really, the band's got to come on to sing. They're paid. Arjuna, you sound like an Indian god. Vande Valayade pa. That day my fat girlfriend tell me, you got to try Mala or not? I say, no, I got to try Ravi, I got to try Shankar. Who is Mala? She say, Mala is a steamboat. Oh, the China people name Mala for bloody steamboat. Stupid about the China people. Oh no, even Indian from India, they talk on the phone. You mean India can hear? Why using handphone? Just talk from here lah, bloody hell. I cannot understand. What's your problem? Then she like, oh, I try speak English. Then I ask her, what's your name? Oh, my name is Chu Chen.
Kumar the Queen.
Not Jia Jia, man. How come Chu Chen? I said, how you spell Chu Chen? She said, S-U-S-A-N. Ma ng copy. Susan become Chu Chen. Then she asked me, what's your name? I say, Kumar. She said, how you spell K-N-N? But before I go, I tell you something. God is great. Believe in God. God is great. Let me tell you, no matter what color, what race, what religion you are, God has created for all of us one part of body exactly the same. It's around the nipples, you see, because small bum, right? Why some of you look shocked? You don't shower. You know, what are the small bumps? It's actually braille for suck here, so the blind people can read. Thank you so much. God bless. Behind the bars and the taxi. You know what LTA say, no? Kumar's breast is going to cause a lot of accident. Accident, man? Stupid. Then we had to alter the whole thing. Because I don't be responsible for any accident, After 2 cars accident and the guys write insurance claim, they put there, I was driving carefully, then I saw Kumar's nene and I lost control of everything. Because Singaporeans get distracted very fast. Even driving city, got accident, everybody slow down. Not to see who died, no, car plate number. So LTA should help us. The big board they put, Accident, lane 4. No, they should put the car plate number there. 4445 or 5554. So that the Chinese can go and gamble, then the traffic will be smoother. Men and pets, they love dogs. That's why man's best friend is dog. They never say man's best friend is a woman. You don't believe me? You drive your car down, bring your dog and your wife, open the boot, put both of them inside, lock the boot, go for 3 hours, come back. You open the boot, dog will still wag. Your wife become the dog. I don't understand one thing. You go to work, you pay ERP. Okay, because work is a punishment. Right? And then you get punished twice. That's okay. But then when you're coming home, you get to pay ERP again. Home is a reward one. What they're going to do is they're going to put an ERP gantry right outside your house. So that the day you shower, one day shower, you wear your clothes, you take your car, you come on and beep! ERP, Singapore, I tell you. And one more thing, that one I mind. ERP, construction road also got ERP. There's a construction going on, got ERP. Who is causing the traffic jam? We are. And in Singapore, everywhere they dig. One day it's just going to go down. Construction, you know what the government should give us when there's a construction going on a road? They should give us CRP, construction rebate package. The minute you pass a construction road only, beep, $1 deposit into your cash card. That's why ERP stands for every road possible. In Singapore, anything is possible. Singapore, the possibility. Coming, you know, you all were so on time, actually I was late. Honestly, I was putting on makeup, rushing, they all throw glitter. Shortcut, because we're Indian, we're born beautiful, a bit only enough already. So, good. Some people didn't come, huh? 2 empty chair. Put your leg, sit down, Esplanade, our money, just spread your leg. Then how do you think this building came out? They borrow money. Our money. So anyway, thank you so much for coming down. We're going to have lots of fun today. It's also rated RA, which I don't know why. Because they say below 18 cannot see this kind of show. And then Singapore highest abortion rate, below 18. That is just... Don't worry, people up there. I will once in a while focus because sometimes I can't do this because I feel I'm talking to God. So, I know the traffic jam was bad and all that. You know how Singapore is, right? The only country in this entire world with the most traffic lights. And the irony part, Singaporean buy sports car. You going where? I'll be a sports car. Traffic light. Oh, green now. Traffic light. I tell you, Singapore love lah. It's the most safest country lah, whatever it is lah. So don't worry, whatever is going to happen today, we are just going to have a good time and laugh about it, okay? Because we are all very stressed out, I understand. And for all those who believe in me and bought the most expensive ticket, thank you, eh? It doesn't mean, thank you. It doesn't mean the cheap one is okay. It's okay. I understand your problem. And these people sitting here like look like some in a futuristic movie where the spaceship comes in like for a drive-in movie. Oh my God, are people still late? Or am I seeing things? And today I take taxi driver. Uncle Esplanade, please. Singapore, where go Esplanade? Uncle Durian, F. We spent $100 million building this building and then Esplanade. For the latecomers, we'll wait for you, don't worry. Please, take your time. Oh! It's okay. Hey, 180 now. Okay, we take your time. Please, don't fall down. Give way lah, $118 lah. Yeah, you know, before I performed the show, I just called Nathan lah because we are very good friends. And I asked him, can I do this show? He said, carry on, girl. It's okay, girl. I'm sure you can do it. So later got feedback, your feedback, huh? Say Kumar should be the next president. Huh? Really, what? Because you asked me why I put Kumar the Queen. Can I use the word president, ma? No, how our government is, right? The MDA, they might be here. Anyway, Singapore, don't worry. Whatever happens outside the country, it's a lot of terrorists, all that. Singapore is the most safest country, is the best country to live in. I had to say that it's in the contract. Now, didn't come out sincere, right? But we Indians, we all right. You know, we just like when minorities, like. We're just hanging around just to create some decoration. You all know it too, right? Anyway, thank you so much for coming. You know, you all were so on time. Housing. But it's not the property that's fun, no. It's the property agent. Some of them are clowns. What? One agent, because I want to buy a house, ma. One agent called me and tell me, I got a house for you with roof terrace. Do I need a roof terrace? Do I look like expensive? No, what? You want to be happy, always have a fat friend. You'll be very happy, tell me. Skinny friend, no good. I got my skinny girlfriend, I can get heart attack. Open the menu, ayah, this one fried, ayah, this one cannot, ayah, this. Then don't eat lah. My fat girlfriend always smiling because thinking about what to eat next. That day my fat girlfriend asked me, you got to try mala or not? No, I got to try Ravi, I got to try Shankar. Who is mala? She said, mala, not Indian girl lah. Oh. That one for the smart people lah. Okay, it will come to you, it will come to you, it will come to you. What? You want to be happy, always have a fat friend. You'll be very happy, tell me. Skinny friend, no good. I got my skinny girlfriend, I can get... Okay, to go to the Indian people's heart. It's like when you are in Rome, do what the Romans do. So when you're in India, do what the Indians do. Run around tree, sing a song, and make sure you make all into a Bollywood movie. Must be into a Bollywood movie. I love my Bollywood movies. 3 hours of sing, dance, dish. And they must overact, no. And must drama mama. The minute the guy touches the girl, no. The people videoing all, you all, that's why we get stroke all, no. Because you would laugh at the same time to hold one hand, then hand pain. I don't know why you punish yourself. Even your friend fall down also, you don't help, you take video first. One lady laughing there, very monotonous, your laughter. No, cannot change your laughter. Why every time one tone, ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Please remove the battery, very important. For those who don't know me, don't worry. Imagine you're watching a movie. This is Marvel. Yeah, Aquaman. So, yeah. And last year when I turned 50, I must tell you, when you turn 50, everything slow down. Your older people know everything. Even you sleep also. This is called, I'm an interval performer. They're setting up. Even you sleep also. Last time, young time, your leg can be at the wall. Now cannot. Your leg there, don't come back. Like that, you must walk to TCM, you know. Like. Even go toilet, 20 years old, come back. Now, wallah, and then you thought you finished, come out, got some more. One never ending one, I tell you. Very stressed, you know, at such an age, my God, really. That's why when a 20-year-old meet a 20-year-old, what they talk about? Education, let's find job, let's fall in love. When a 30-year-old meet a 30-year-old, what they talk about? Let's educate more, you know, change job, get married, have children. When a 40-year-old meet a 40-year-old, what they talk about? Divorce, stuck in the job, life is boring. But when a 50 meet a 50, what we talk about? Where to get cheap medicine, where's the best TCM. We walk past Garden Pharmacy, we see wheelchair also, we like, I'll see you soon lah. Must be able to handle Mandarin speaking clients. For me, any language also, any client I can handle. You don't talk what? Don't worry, the slow one, the subtitle coming on later. My friend went, no. He saw, stupid boy. He's on the classified. They say different position to be filled by different people. The terms were pleasant, bilingual, class 3 license. So he went there lah. The minute he walked into the interviewer office, the interviewer, the face straight away like smiling like that, saw him. Wow, your name, Michael George, huh? You can sing, ah? Joke, rah, joke. Of course, George Michael won't come in and apply for a job, rah. Wow, you're very good to have class 3 license. But, huh? Don't mind, huh? You have to be bilingual, eh? Your bilingual is English and Tamil, right? Huh? You can speak Mandarin, ah? Ha ha ha. So you're English, Mandarin and Tamil. You are trilingual, ah? Sorry, you're overqualified. So you must really know what the term means. When it says bilingual means, it means Mandarin and Singlish. So that is for the Chinese. Class 3 license means it's for the Malays. And so what do Indians do for a job? So Indians, you must look for the terms in the classified that says able to do heavy lifting and highly motivated. And highly motivated means must be able to work long hours with no overtime pay. The other job that Indians always do is securities. Not securities. That is stockbroker. We are security. That means just broke. And you Chinese people always say Indian cannot be trusted. And then you put them as security guard. Like how you all say Malays are slow and unresponsive. How the women say the kind of man they like is they like the tall man. That's me. Tan. That's me. Must be good looking. Who is to argue? And must have a sense of humor. Duh. So I call all these girls and go, you looking for me? Ayo. And a lot of people say I'm a very good role model for men. Yeah. Because I love my body and I look good in clothes. But some men are just very unlucky. So what they do, the unlucky ones, they go to the gym, carry weight, build their body, muscular, wow. Because they say if they look muscular and lean, wow, they get more attractive to women. Hello. We get more attractive to men. You see the Dr. Mahathir, 93 don't want to die. And can still speak so good. Singaporean 70 years old only talk like dementia. That one 93, I will do the best I can for Malaysia. Angkat tau English dia. And I Mahathir got some similarities because we can still fit into the clothes that we bought 30 years ago. Only thing I look better lah. Jadi coba Mahathir very cruel. Every time he get angry with Singapore, he threatened to off the tap. Please lah Mahathir, our high floods trying to repair the bridge already because of new water not enough. Singaporean P not enough. Shock ah. All try come. We care, we share.